I want to show you how you can cancel a print job before it gets too far that you start printing off a bunch of blank pages. You could say, well, duh, just open up the report. If there's blank pages, then don't print it. Well, what I'm going off of is the parameter, as we learned in the Access Level 2 training video on parameter queries. And remember, you can base reports upon queries. So I've got this parameter query here that when I double click, it's going to prompt me for the criteria or parameters. Start date, end date. Let me click cancel. This report is based upon that query, so if I double click, it's going to ask the same thing. So if I just type it in 1/1/08, hit enter, 3/31/08, hit enter. Let's try Camp Spruce, hit enter, click to zoom in. There we go. So between those two dates, Camp Spruce purchased these products. Now to take it one step further, let me go ahead and close it, that if somebody selects this report and says, I'm not going to check to see if there's any records there, I know that there'll be records there when I print it off. And they come up here, click on the File tab, go to the Print, click on the Print button. It's still going to request those parameters, that criteria. But when it's done and they type it all in, if they didn't get it right, it's going to print off blank pages. What a waste. So what I can do is I can go ahead and set up the Cancel Print Job feature that if there's nothing in that report, it won't print. It'll cancel the event. So to get started, let me go ahead and click Cancel, and then right-click on the report, go to the Design View, and we want to bring up the property sheet for the report by coming over here and double-clicking in the blank area really fast. Brings up the property sheet. You can see the selection types for the entire report, and we want to click on the Event tab, and you see where it says On No Data. If there's no data in the report, click on its corresponding build button because we want to create a macro that will have some actions that says, okay, that will create an action that says if there's no data in here, let's create a message that says, hey, there's nothing in here. It's not going to print. And then an action to actually cancel the event so it doesn't print. So click Okie dokie. And then the first action, click on the drop down arrow. And we're going to type in, see message, there it is, message box. Hit the tab key so it selects it. What's the message? No orders during specified period. And then we can click the type arrow to, well, it's informational for you. And then the title of that informational pop-up, it's our sales period. I mean, hopefully we made sales during that period, but maybe for that particular client, they didn't purchase any products from us, like Camp Spruce, as I just showed you. And then after we get the message box, we want to go ahead and click on the next action to cancel, hit the tab key, cancel event. When we're finished, let's go ahead and click Save, and then close out here. And then be sure to save our report as well, and then go ahead and close out. Now let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to try a different date here, so I'll select the report, come up here, click on the File tab, go down to Print, click Print, and let's type in, well, as you remember, the only time that Camp Spruce purchased anything from us was in March. So if I just type in the date 1/1/08, hit enter, and February 2/28/08, enter, and then Camp Spruce, hit enter, no orders during this specified period. Click Okie dokie, it cancels it so it doesn't print. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.